Making pizza at home, so let's get straight to the point. For the dough, all you need is flour, oil, salt, warm water and dried yeast. Gently start to knead the ingredients together to form the dough. After a few minutes it starts to come together and you should get a nice soft dough like this one. Then simply try to form a nice round shape from the dough and put some flour on the bottom and on the top and cover it with plastic foil because you don't want the dough to dry out. It needs to rest for 1 hour in a warm place. In the meantime you can prepare the tomato sauce for the topping. All you need is the tomato sauce, salt, sugar and oregano, and mix everything together. The dough doubled its size after the resting and I'm going to use a round shape for the baking. I recommend you to spread some oil because probably you don't want your pizza to stick. When you stretch the dough, you have to start from the middle and go to the side. You have to take care because you don't want to push down the edge of the dough because you don't want a flat pizza crust. After that, you can take care of the toppings. Use your freshly made tomato sauce and spread it all over the dough. In the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Use your favorite cheese, and I also added some bacon because it gives an extra kick to the taste. Then it needs only 13 minutes in the oven. The exact amount of the ingredients you will find in the description. Try it at home and leave a comment how tasty it was. Thank you for watching and see you next time.